Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're holding USDT in your MetaMask wallet and wondering how to get it into your bank account, you're in the right place. Today, we're breaking down the process step by step for 2025, making it easy, safe, and straightforward. Whether you're a crypto newbie or have been around the block, this guide will help you navigate the transfer without any hassle. First things first, make sure you have USDT in your MetaMask wallet. Open the MetaMask app or extension and double-check your balance. Remember, USDT is a stablecoin, so it's tied to the US dollar, which makes it great for transfers. Step 1. You'll need to send your USDT to a reputable cryptocurrency exchange that supports both USDT deposits and fiat withdrawals. Popular options include Coinbase, Binance, or Kraken. Always go with one that's regulated and has good reviews to keep your funds secure. Once you're on the exchange, deposit your USDT from MetaMask. Copy the exchange's wallet address for USDT, head back to MetaMask, and initiate a transfer. Be careful with the network. Stick to ERC20 for USDT to avoid any issues. This step might take a few minutes to a couple of hours, depending on network congestion. After your USDT arrives on the exchange, convert it to your local fiat currency, like USD or EUR. Go to the trading section, select the USDT pair for your currency, and make the trade. Keep an eye on fees, they can add up quickly. Now, for the final step, withdraw the fiat to your bank account. In your exchange account, navigate to the withdrawal section, enter your bank details, and confirm the transaction. This could take 1 to 5 business days, so be patient. Don't forget to enable two-factor authentication and verify everything to protect against scams. And there you have it. Your USDT is now in your bank account. Always stay vigilant with crypto. Double-check addresses and use secure connections. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more crypto tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.